let's get caught up. My name is Lorenzo. You might have seen me before in Friendly with Rabies. I'm happy to guide you through animal management and give you some domestication tips for the imbalanced days. Let's take a look.
Number 1. Identify the source of stress in your life.
Marcus came from a bustling
Hey, what, you got
neighborhood.
nothing better to do,
There's
huh?
a big deal.
Just gonna lean out your window, make fun of my bald spot, huh?
And what, you talking to me? Oh, yeah.
Hey, why don't you stick that beak where it
Oh,
belongs?
thanks for the feather, huh? I'll make sure to give it to your sister's egg.
Stick your head back in that window.
Shut the fuck
His grandma has gotten him into a lot of trouble. Like me, people didn't understand his wild ways. He was getting into it with the wildlife fishing gaming board, selling furs, smuggling in the black market, flying too high, picking the wrong lock, eating birds, going south, nesting into the wrong part of the trees, and just being a notch away from getting his wings clipped. Marcus's true source of stress wasn't obvious. Easy to overlook. He's stress-induced thoughts, feelings, and behavior weren't his own.
You know, I felt like I was in a cuckoo house or something. Somebody tweets at me, well, they got something coming.
He had to look closely at his habits, attitudes, and excuses.
You know, I just threw that white's back, blaming other animals, caged my own emotions.
Mark had to accept responsibility for the role he played. Until then, his mocking remained outside of his control.
Now, I use my own calling.
Number 2. Look at how you cope with stress.
Smoking. Drinking and pills. Sleeping too much. Overeating or undereating. Withdrawing from friends and family. Procrastination. Taking your stress out on others. Zoning out for hours in front of the TV or computer. Now, let's directly learn how to bounce on your animal stress. Learn to say no. Say no. Refuse to accept added responsibilities when you're close to reaching them.
So, no helping today?
What does it look like, bud?
Yeah.
Do you see this? Do you see this?
Okay.
What do you see?
Butter in the middle of a dam?
A statement! Nobody appreciates art anymore. Damn this and damn that. Sick of this dam.
You gotta get that log out of you.
And avoid animals who stress you out. Keep in mind, it's instinct and practice that allows the best animal in you, not just that furry little bodysuit you have attached to you. Nobody knows how to deal better with disturbing behavior than our last guest, Helen, animal expert winner of 1976, who is also an animal pound survivor and house speaker at numerous prestigious subjects such as animal attention alliteration, as well as international conferences discussing current, future, and industry developments on how to eat your own shit or get away with it when nobody is looking. Thanks for being with us today, Helen. How are you?
Pretty good, Lorenzo. Thanks.
Now, is it fair in your line of work to call you an actual doctor?
Pretty accurate.
But is it fair? Doctors are associated with archaic methods using mercury, witchery, Satan worship, and politics with sexual relations along with your patients, yes?
Well, I think we do a little more than that. Seeing is believing. The treatment work video is the best representation of my work. Hit the tape, please. This is John. He suffers from anxiety and some unfortunate ailments. In each case, we may sit down for many sessions and proceed to careful intake. Confidentiality is most important with our patients. And in his case, he'll need it. Combo wombo of halitosis and anal fissures? That's a stink to two ends. Secondly, we diagnose. And thirdly, apply as many treatments simultaneously in the secondary area in the shortest amount of time, since they can't think for themselves while the families are entirely to blame. Religion? Spirituality? I've got better things to waste ink, pen, and paper on. In the undetermined end, the patient might be cured. Our extensive professional care will continue until their health insurance runs out. Otherwise, we strongly advise an abundance of sweat-producing relaxation methods along with the doctor's order to take an aspirin and call me in the morning.
But that's all about the time we have. Thank you, Ellen. That's been incredibly illuminating.
Thank you, Lorenzo. It was a pleasure.
We've gone through a lot, so take the time to get the right side of your fur ball.
better things
This is
to
Wild
waste
Moves
ink and paper
Series
on.
4, an animal management behavior video. Next section, coping with being neutered.